Hi, today for me Honor 70 and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first let's open the Gmail application and tap on the right upper corner. Here you'll see our logged in account, and just to log out from this account in Gmail app, we should log out from the Google account on our device. And to do that, click to manage accounts on this device, tap to Google section and click here to remove icon. Then confirm your action by click here to remove, and that's it. Now let's just go back to the application, and we can see also that in the app we also log out from Gmail account. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.